Alright, we're going to solve systems of equations by elimination. It goes like this. So, for example, if we have negative 4x minus 2y equals minus 12, and then we have a second equation that equals 4x plus 8y is equal to negative 24. Now, to do elimination, what you want to do is you want to get rid of one of the variables so that you can solve for the other variable, and after you solve for the other variable, then you can plug in to find the other. So, for example, we have to either get rid of x or y. So, which one is probably the easiest? Probably this one, because we don't really have to do anything to either equation. And if we can subtract our the top equation from the bottom equation, because both one is negative 4x, one is positive 4x. So if you eliminate that, you get 0. Okay, so you get 0x. All right, and then 8. So negative 2 plus 8, or 8 minus 2 is plus 6y is equal to. Then we have negative 12 and minus 24. So, since they're both negative numbers, we actually just add them, and then the final answer will be negative. So, 2 plus 4 is 6, 1 plus 2 is 3. Okay, so we have essentially 6y. Okay, 6y. Sorry about this. Okay. Now 6y is equal to negative 36. So divide both sides by 6, so we get y is equal to negative 6. So now that I found y, we can plug in the y value into either top or the bottom equation. Doesn't really matter. So we'll just pop it into the top equation. So we get negative 4x minus 2 times y is negative 6 is equal to minus 12. Alright, so negative 4x is negative 4x minus 2 times minus 6 is plus 12. Alright, equals minus 12. So let's isolate the variable. So to do that, you subtract both sides by negative 12. Alright, so negative 4x is equal, negative 12 minus 12 is negative 24. And then divide both sides by negative 4. Okay, and negative 24 divided by 4 is equal to 6. So the final answer is going to be 6 comma negative 6. So at this point, 6 comma negative 6, this is when these two equations are equal to each other. Let's try one more. Alright, let's try minus 4x plus 9y is equal to 9. And then we have x minus 3, x minus 3y is equal to minus 6. Okay, so now we have to try to eliminate one of the variables. Now we can't directly eliminate them right now, because none of them, like negative 4 plus 1 is, we can't eliminate it right now. So what we can do is we can try to manipulate one of the equations so that we can eliminate them. I'd say let's try to eliminate the y. And here's why. Because we have 9y in the top equation and 3y. So I know that if I multiply 3 to negative 3, I can get negative 9. And then I can cancel out the y's. So let's multiply the bottom equation, the whole thing, by negative 3. So what we get is negative 4x minus 3x is negative 7x. Alright. And then, oh, I'm sorry. Let's read this. Instead of multiply everything by negative 3, let's multiply it by positive 3. Okay, so this changes too, doesn't it? Negative 4x, alright, plus 3x is just going to be negative x. Okay? And then 3 times 3, negative 3 is negative 9, so the 9's cancel out. That's good. So negative x is equal to, so 3 times negative 6 is negative 18. So you get negative 18 plus 9. Alright, so if we do the arithmetic, what do you get here? We get 9, right? But not just any 9, but negative 9. Alright, so x is equal to 9, because negative divided by negative is positive. Okay, so now we know that x equals 9. Let's plug it into probably this bottom equation. So when you plug this into the equation, you don't have to worry about like when you altered the number or like the equation. You can just take the original equation and just plug in the variable. Okay, so since x is equal to 9, you get 9 minus 3y is equal to negative 6. Now let's solve for y. So you subtract both sides by 9. Those cancel, and you get negative 3y is equal to negative 6 minus 9, which is negative 15. Alright, divide both sides by negative 3, and we get y is equal to 5. So the final answer is going to be x is 9 and y is 5. And that's your final answer.